Hey, everyone! Ever get that annoying notification that a package was delivered, only to look at your doorbell camera and see nothing but the top of the delivery driver's head? It's frustrating when you can't actually see if the box is still there. That's why I'm so excited about the new Ring Battery Doorbell. It's been redesigned to give you the full picture of what's happening at your front door. The standout feature here is the head-to-toe video. Unlike older models that had a narrow, letterbox view, this one features a 150 degrees vertical and horizontal field of view. This means you can see a visitor from the top of their hat all the way down to the package sitting on your welcome mat. The video is crisp 1440p HD, and it even features color night vision, so you're not just looking at grainy black and white silhouettes when someone rings the bell after dark. Installation is a total breeze because it's completely wire-free. You just charge the built-in battery via USB-C, click it into the bracket, and you're good to go. It connects seamlessly to the Ring app, where you can use live view to see what's happening in real time or two-way talk to tell a visitor you'll be right there. Plus, with customizable motion zones, you can tell the camera to ignore the street and only alert you when someone actually steps onto your porch. In the sleek satin nickel finish, it looks great on any home and gives you that extra peace of mind without any complicated electrical work. Click the link below for the best price and start seeing the whole picture at your front door.